What's up, I'm Elia, singer and extreme vocal coach, and if you want to learn how to false chord scream without hurting your voice, you are in the right place. I'm gonna break it down step by step, even if you're a complete beginner, with tips, common mistakes, and everything you need to get started. Here's what it sounds like. Yo! Ready? Let's go! Before diving into these steps, make sure you're warmed up and breathing correctly. I've made 2 videos on that, link below or right up here. Step 1! The annoyed sound. We're gonna start by pretending we're annoyed, like totally fed up. So take a nice deep breath and try this. I'm seriously frustrated, dude. They cancelled the concert I was going to. I replaced it with a reggaeton night? A big part of this sound comes from the false chords. And if you can do it, you're already really close to your first false chord scream. Step 2. Compression. To shape the sound and turn it into a proper growl, we need to apply a bit more compression in the larynx area. Right around here. One great way to find that spot is by clearing your throat like this. It's like when you want to join a conversation and you go, "Hey miss, do you wanna hear my false chord scream?" No? Sorry. Keep that same feeling of compression, but this time with your mouth open, and start pushing a bit more air each time. Step 3. The voice. We are almost there, super close to the goal. All we need to do now is mix your voice with the sound we made before. I recommend using a low voice. So, oh, 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 oh. Don't lose your voice, hold it all the way through. Oh! Congratulations! You did it! You found your very first false chord scream! Common mistakes. One of the most common mistakes is squeezing too much in your larynx. A simple exercise that works really well is hopping on your feet and doing barks. Yes, you heard that right. Barks. Woof! 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 The movement releases tension, and the barking allows you to start with a sound without harsh glottal attacks. Another common mistake is engaging your arytenoids too much. If you are doing this, your sound might come out like this. To fix this, pretend, and I repeat, pretend that your arytenoids are located high up in your throat. What you want to do is stay completely relaxed from the Adam's apple upward and focus the compression in the lower part of your larynx. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and vocal tips. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I share quick tutorials almost every day. Links are in the description. And if you're serious about improving, you can book a private extreme vocal lesson with me by sending me a DM on my socials. I teach people from all over the world, and I'm excited to help you level up your screaming skills. That's it from Elia. See you in the next video. Get some!